Hi, I'm Sasha.
And I'm Sterling.
And welcome back to the Cutting Edge. Let's lock in on our exclusive welding spotlight.
Hey everyone, my name is Luke Gibbous and I am a welding instructor here at UAS Sitka. Spent some time traveling across the country, ultimately leading me to Alaska. I was in Fort Greely, Delta Junction welding before taking this position here 3 years ago. I started my welding journey in 2012 at a career center in Michigan. And then I transferred to Delta College where I finished my associate's degree in welding. Transferring again to Saginaw Valley University where I finished my bachelor's degree in engineering technology management. After that, those degrees and some of my welding experience took me all across the country welding for the U.S. government, for the military and some other companies.
Hi, I'm Jesse Galagergan. I'm a class of 2023 Edgecombe alumni. I've been taking welding for about 5 years before I started working here at UAS. I am the welding lab assistant and I am from Nome, Alaska.
Hi, I'm Zach Dunton. I'm from Wasilla and I'm a 4-year senior.
What inspires you to do welding?
The thing that keeps inspiring me is the challenge of welding. Every day there's a new technique or a new type of material that challenges me to be better, and that inspires me to not only be a better welder but to be a better teacher. I really enjoy being in Sitka. I love Sitka. I love Southeast Alaska. I love the lifestyle surrounded by living here. I like being able to share my knowledge with others. I like being able to inspire others, help others be successful in life. That's probably what draws me to teaching versus being in the field.
Is there anything you would like to say about welding?
One thing I can say about welding is that the job is in demand in the state of Alaska. These are high dollar jobs typically, and for Edgecombe students, this is a great opportunity to get your foot in the door early and young and start building the skills necessary to leave here and make that money. This opportunity that you have here, you can start as a freshman or a sophomore, and by the time you graduate, you can earn your welding certificate, your welder qualifications, and your occupational endorsement before leaving here.
What are your favorite parts about welding?
My favorite parts about welding is having all of these Edgecombe students come here, gain more experience, and other than that, just having the opportunity for myself to continue my education in welding.
Because it's very meticulous, but it's also very rewarding when you do a very good weld. It's seamless looking, and I quite enjoy it.
What are your future plans?
My future plans are being able to still work here at UAS and teach Edgecombe students and night students. After that, probably go get another job.
When I graduate, I'm going to be able to join a union, and they make pretty good money, and that's always an incentive.
Do you have any advice for new welders?
My advice to new welders are going to be, don't be afraid of the sparks or, the flames. It is scary at first, but just come in here with confidence and willing to learn.
Take any advantage you can get, do whatever work you can, pursue it to the best of your ability.
Thanks for watching, and remember,